In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable barcodes in Zoho Inventory. Managing your inventory efficiently is crucial for any business, and introducing barcodes into your system can streamline your operations significantly. It helps in tracking products, reducing human error, and speeding up the checkout process. So, let's dive right into how you can set this up in Zoho Inventory and take advantage of these benefits. First things first, we'll head over to Zoho Inventory and log into your account, where you can access all the features you need. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the interface. You'll notice a gear icon, which represents the settings menu. Click on this icon to reveal a list of options tailored to help you customize your inventory experience. Once you're in the settings menu, you'll want to focus on the section labeled Customization. This is where you can access different templates and modify them to fit your needs. In this case, we're interested in the PDF templates, so go ahead and click on that option. PDF templates are customizable forms that will serve as the backbone for your barcodes, allowing you to integrate barcoding into your existing inventory system seamlessly. Now that you're in the PDF templates section, take a moment to locate the one labeled Item Barcodes. This is the template specifically designed for generating both barcodes and QR codes for your products. It's important to ensure that you're selecting the correct template, as this is pivotal to enabling the barcode functionality within Zoho Inventory. With the Item Barcodes template in sight, you'll notice an Enable option. Clicking this will activate the barcode and QR code generation feature for your items. It's as simple as that. Once enabled, Zoho Inventory will be ready to start creating barcodes and QR codes for the products you've got in your inventory list. Enabling the barcode functionality transforms how you handle your inventory. Not only does it make the process much more efficient, but it also minimizes errors that can occur when information is manually entered. Barcodes allow for quick scanning, which means faster processing times, whether you're conducting stock checks, handling sales, or simplifying the shipment process. For businesses that have a high volume of products or multiple transactions happening daily, this can lead to considerable time savings and increased accuracy. There you have it. You've now successfully enabled the barcoding feature within Zoho Inventory. It's a straightforward process that can have a significant positive impact on your business operations, giving you more time to focus on other important aspects of your business. Make sure to take full advantage of this feature and see how it can streamline your workflow and boost your productivity. Thanks for watching, and happy inventory managing.